provoke you to take steps, to take actions, to think about what you really want in the new year. Think about the fact that, okay, this last year I didn't achieve what I want. Why did Hey fam, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 major reasons why your goals will not be achieved in 2022 or in any other year for that matter. Okay, but before I go on, if this is your first time of coming to my channel and you like videos like this, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. So at the beginning of the year, you often hear people talking about their New Year's resolutions, their New Year's goals, how the new year is going to be better than the last year, how things are going to change and all this. And just like any other year, in 2022 January, I've seen so many posts on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, people talking about how the new year is going to be better than the last year. And it's good. It's good. We have hope. It's a good thing that people have faith that the new year is going to be better. Okay, but the truth of the matter is the new year is going to be exactly the same as the last year or the year before that if we don't do certain things. Okay, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the 3 reasons why the new year is going to be the same as the old year or the years before. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is the fact that we don't have clarity. Okay, so in order for you to be able to achieve your goal, you need to have clarity, and clarity simply means knowing exactly what you want. And in this time and age, clarity is so important, because if you don't know what you want, if you don't have a clear vision, a clear picture of what you want, how do you achieve it? Okay, so it's as simple as that. You need to know what you want so that you can take steps towards achieving that goal. So in order to get clarity, what do? Okay, so you need to sit yourself down and ask yourself deep questions like, what do I really want to do? There's some questions that you're going to need to ask yourself, which I might go into in another video. But the first thing, like I said, is have clarity. If you have clarity of what you actually want, okay, so this is a new year, what do I want for myself or for my family or for my relationship in this new year? So if you're able to take a pen and paper and put that down, or maybe it's just in your head, I'd rather put it down on paper so that you can know exactly what you want. Okay, the second reason why this year is going to be exactly the same as last year is because you don't have a plan. Okay, you have clarity, you know what you want, you know what you want to achieve, but how are you going to achieve it? Okay, you don't have a plan. Okay, say for instance, you want to buy a house, or you want to buy a car, or maybe you want to have a better relationship with your spouse, with your family, or maybe you are someone that's so busy at work and this year you've decided that, okay, I want to spend more time with my family. How are you going to do that? Okay, so you need to have a plan. You need to have a plan of how you're going to do it. Okay, so if you don't have a plan, then the year is going to be exactly the same as the year before and the year before that. Okay, and the third reason I'm going to talk about today is the fact that you procrastinate. Okay, and I've done videos about procrastination before, and I said that procrastination is the biggest killer of our destinies, the biggest killer of our success. So procrastination steals from us. Okay, and if you continue to procrastinate, it simply means that you will not achieve your goal. The year is going to be exactly the same as the one just gone or the one before that. Okay, so what you want to do is stop procrastinating. So decide to do something and actually do it. Okay, so my purpose of doing this video today is not just to say, okay, your year is going to be the same as last year, but to kind of provoke you to take steps, to take actions, to think about what you really want in the new year. Think about the fact that, okay, this last year I didn't achieve what I want. Why did I not achieve what I want? Why was the year not the way I wanted it to go? Okay, so you want to sit down, ask yourself and say, okay, now that this is the new year, this is what I want to do. And I did a video a couple of weeks ago where I said that the new year is an opportunity to re-strategize, to start over. It's a new opportunity for a new beginning or new beginnings. Okay, so you want to sit yourself down and say, okay, this is the new year, new opportunities. What do I really want? Okay, put them in a pen and paper, take steps, and actually take steps to do those things that you want to do. Otherwise, like I said, the new year is going to be exactly the same as the old one. But I hope this short video is helpful. If it has helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.